Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day I wish to our course lecturer Dr. Hong and everyone. I'm representing Group 6 and I would like to present to you our midterm project progress for Bmmd 3804 Industrial Design course. Our product is named a Mother Disaster Rescue Kit with a tagline, New Hope Begins Here. Let me start by introducing our organization chart. Our team consists of 3 members, Mahfiz Sabardan, THIAN, and AIMAN SAFWAN as a team leader. So here is our project Gantt chart, which worked as our guideline until the end. A little bit background of this project. Tsunami are a giant ocean wave that trigger by earthquake, underwater landslide, volcanic eruptions, and asteroid. As waves come in and out, a tsunami can kill or hurt people as well as damage or demolish buildings and infrastructure. As a result, a set of equipment is required to deal with this circumstance. We require tools such as first aid, bag, and crucial items in order to survive the tragedy.
Salam sejahtera and hi, my name is Tian. This part is the problem statement versus objective. There are some problems that the user face with the existing product are too heavy with unnecessary equipment, rescue kit SQ emergency plan, uncomfortable rescue kit, non-durable rescue kit, and also easy detach from the victim body. Therefore, to solve the problems, we have to design a new and improved rescue kit. Our objective is to produce a lightweight 20 to 30 lbs and easy to carry rescue kit, also compatible with any age. Help solve victim panic by providing an emergency plan to navigate to the safer zone. Made from a buoyant material which is waterproof, sustain from the critical situations with unbreakable and impact-resistant characteristics, and also come from safety features to fully grade victim body.
Important thing that everyone should have in their home to preserve their personal belonging, survival item, first aid equipment, and important documents safely. A rescue kit is a compact storage space that is full of all emergency supply to face more natural disaster when it suddenly happens. It must be easy to carry and the items inside are user-friendly. We aim to design a rescue kit that we named Mother Disaster Rescue Kit. It helps people most likely 1 to 2% during escape as part of their emergency plan. The rescue kit comes with some features such as sufficient compartment, floatable technology equipment, and many more. The function of rescue kit are to carry essential supplies and protect documents, treat any kind of traumatic injury, save victims from drowning in the water. Our target market is under safety equipment or emergency supply category, specific for every household, especially traveler and seaside community.
Next, table specifications analysis. The specifications analysis after all 20 emergency kits has been collected. The results of the specifications analysis can be used to establish scientific concepts and principles for a new product design. We conduct by collecting the specifications. We need to go on the next task by analyzing the product information and details one by one. Now, let's talk about the target market. A positioning map is used so that we can identify the appropriate market needs for the product and getting it established in the area. It benefits of our product to the target audience. The PN chart position map has been constructed. 20 emergency kits, rescue kits has been given a rating and positions in the map according to the scales. Each product has its own unique qualities. It has its own territory. It is divided into 4 zones, with 1 zone being selected to receive the best product. Here is our first position map of rescue kit, which is versatility versus appearance. Versatility are the quality of being versatile, able to change easily or to be used for different purposes. And appearance are the look of an object. that we determine on purpose selection process. Each zone represents the features and characteristics of the versatility and appearance of rescue kit. It is important that the versatility for a rescue kit. The versatility of a rescue kit do also vary based on the number of people it needs to support, the type of emergency or disaster that might be during week and locations. Hence, the product might include multi-functions and multi-purpose to handle a variety of tasks. According to Figure 1, Zone 1 and Zone 2 are chosen as a high and big in versatility. However, Zone 1 was chosen because the product has an effective and versatile option with its high and well-organized, then comprehensive in terms of contents, despite everything packed in one space and easy to carry. Everything is clearly labeled in big fonts. This makes it easy to know exactly where and what's in the pack, and the kit is highly durable. It made my waterproof and shockproof material, which will make it unsusceptible to damage, such as in the event of a flood or earthquake. Each group of supplies is enclosed in a durable syrup pouch as well, reducing the risk of spoilage if the pack gets wet. Furthermore, the appearance has two categories which are simple and classic, and attractive and modern. An attractive, fashionable, and unique design are more attractive to consumers in a positive way and entices consumers to buy, while for simple and classic design are more to very basic and affordable. Next, our second position map of rescue kit, which is weak versus compatibility. The weak and compatibility are an options to select the best choice based on the table of red setting. Weak determines the heavy certain product, and compatibility are the size of the object. We put a numbering based on how heavy the object or product and the size, then we classify the product by group. Each zone represents the features and characteristics of the weight, which is less than 1 kg to more than 6 kg, and compatibility 1 liter to 42 liter of rescue kit. Weight is chosen as a feature because lightweight is more preferred for consumers, since lightweight perform better compared to heavyweight. The product is easy to grab and go in times of need. It enables users to act quickly, and that includes being able to grab the rescue kit with ease. It's suitable for all age ranges to carry, specifically kids and other people. Apart of that, compatibility is also important. The product that too compact in size due to minimal packing can help to save the space so that help in extreme emergencies. This can be easily grabbed one and be prepared during the natural disasters. Well, the big size of product they can store with many compartments of the bag, such as important documents, survival tools, and map. Intuitive storage design provides everything it needs to do exactly that.
Next, I'm going to continue with our results from the market survey. We have conducted online survey and successfully distributed to 50 respondents altogether. This is our respondent background. In terms of gender, number of female were more than male respondent. Half of them were aged between 21 until 35 years old, and only 6% was aged over 51 years old. Currently, 50% were students. On average, they have higher education at the college or university level. Many of them are from the northern regions of Malaysia. Urban style of living by 52%. However, we have identified exactly 10% are staying near the ocean. 96% represent the largest portion of respondents who stated no experience at all of feeling a tsunami attack. For section B, problem and design, 56 of them react to escape away from the coastline as far as possible if they were near the ocean during the tragedy happening. The option "follow the emergency plan to the evacuation zone" was chosen as their earliest action by 46% if they were at home or city. After that moment, 15 respondents vote to inspect injuries on their bodies and rescue family members if missing as their first responses. They decided to select the limitation of the existing rescue kit, which was too heavy with unnecessary equipment during tsunami attacks, sometimes reaching 13 kilograms above. Our respondent agreed with the majority vote to categorize the rescue kit into a backpack style. This the result from Section C, User Preference. For the rescue kit function and characteristic, our respondent rate high on the extremely important buoyancy factor. By rearranging this characteristic, we have seen it's important when choosing the rescue kit. The same goes for design and appearance. The user wants an ergonomic and comfortable rescue kit to face a massive disaster. Here is the list of feature and technology. We have rearranged it according to the vote count from the respondent. We have also constructed an affinity diagram (KJ method) as part of our project planning. And now is the list of design criteria and will relate to the survey result. There are 8 design criteria altogether, and the explanation will link to the result of the survey.
For selection in design sketch, we will take 3 sketch, which is sketch 4, sketch 8 and sketch 9.
Next is I will explain about the engineering drawing that our team has made, the 3D modeling. For the first concept, the color will be red and blue and black because they will be user friendly for the kids and the others and can be attractive. The target of the design is light and minimalist because it requires the user to carry items that can be fitting the tsunami attack to run away quickly. The bag has 2 pockets back of the bag and one large opening in the front of the bag. It easily the user to carry multiple things at once, and the pocket in the bag will make the user easily to take and put an item. Next is the concept 2. The color will be red and brown. The color makes the user more attractive and can distract the safety officer in the area to come and save them. The bag just has one opening section which is in front of the bag that can fit more items at once. Moreover, the bag has a grip at the top of the bag that can be carried with one hand off if the strip of the bag breaks or cannot support the weight. Lastly, for concept 3, the color of the bag will be all blue and it will have with vest and safety material inside it that can float in the water. The bag has the pocket and extra room inside it that has a partition in it. It will be easier to organize some items that cannot be mixed inside. Next is 3D rendering. For concept 1, this bag, which is a lightweight and easy to handle, can make the user fast to take an action because of the light blue color and easy to handle, not just for mature men and women, but for kids too. For concept 2, it can be put anywhere in the house and can be easily taken with one hand and get out of the house if anything happens. This bag is suitable for the other emergency situations such as floods and tsunami. For concept 3, the bag is compatible in any situation because the vest can float in the water to help the user to float and go to the safety area safely. Next is engineer drawing. For concept 1, the height of the bag is 600 mm, which is 60 cm, and the width is 200 mm, which is 20 cm, and the length of the bag is 300 mm. For concept 2, the height of the bag is 550 mm, which means 55 cm. Width and the width is 210 mm, which is 231 cm, and the length is 260 mm, which is 26 cm. And lastly, for concept 3, the height of the bag is 700 mm, which is 70 cm, and the width of the bag is 400 mm, which is 40 cm, and the length of the bag is 500 mm, which is 50 cm. Next, we will proceed to poster design planning. Inside the poster will be contain a background, problem statement, goal and solution, main part, consumer image map, problem faced by respondent, design principle, drawing, sketching, and a 3D rendering. This is the first concept idea of the poster 1. Next is the second idea of concept 2, which is follow the same content in the first poster idea. For the last idea design poster, the content in the poster will have the same. Lastly, the poster design. This is the first poster for concept 1 that we generate from the idea design poster, which is contain background, problem statement, goal solution, consumer damage map, decision principle, engineer drawing, problem by respondent, and 3D rendering, which follow exactly as the design poster. And this is the concept 2 for poster 2, which is also contain the same thing, which is background, problem statement, goal, and etc., which is follow the second concept of design poster. And lastly, for the last poster, which is contain concept 3 inside the poster, which is also contain the same content and also follow the design idea of the poster back then. So this is the outcome of the poster, which is shows the 3D rendering for the back of concept 3 and all the idea of it. All in all, in conclusion, we achieved the objective select to design a new product that is able to be used in a natural disasters, especially tsunamis. The design criteria for this product are multiple function, compatibility, easy to use, lightweight, durability, buoyancy, safe and secure. Through the project, we gain a lot of knowledge about industrial design. Moreover, design tool and method like a brainstorming, mind mapping, the KJ method, questionnaire analysis, positioning map analysis, and others are crucial in the design process. This many strategy and to assist us in generating idea and identifying areas where our product design may be improved. It also helps us decide on design requirements and direction. Other than that, the design software also help us a lot in the design and planning process. By using SolidWorks software, the 3D modeling part can be constructed efficiently and the quality of the rendering will increase. Furthermore, the management of group work is also important. By working hand in to complete the task, the design project can be completely perfectly by each other. That's all from me, and thank you very much for listening.